Amazon. Mysterious, powerful, unchanged since the dawn of time. Until now.
I'm scared.
Here, a child was taken.
Tommy?
Against all odds, Bill Markham searched for his son. An adventure into the darkest regions of a savage wilderness.
At dawn, they hunt me.
After 10 years, the journey seems over. But Bill Markham's greatest discovery lies ahead.
Go back!
You know something, don't you?
From John Boorman, director of Deliverance and Excalibur, comes an adventure into the hidden places of the earth and of the spirit. The Emerald Forest, based on a true story.